Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 4th of May, 2020.
Hi, everybody.
Alrighty, may the 4th be with you. That's right, it is Star Wars Day, May the 4th. Man, I tell you.
Star Wars Day?
That's where it comes from. Yeah, may the 4th be with you.
Oh.
Yeah, that's where it comes from. And this is another milestone. This is episode 150 of Two Dogs Woodworking in Wood. So we're
Yeehaw!
a total of 30 views so far on our channel. So, sounds about right. Sounds about right. But yeah, episode 150 for y'all. Alrighty, guys, let's move on. All right, hydrating a little bit today.
Yes. Temperature has risen.
That's right, yeah, summer slid back in here this weekend. I got a little behind on my fluid, so I'm trying to keep up with that, so no tea for me today. This weekend of shopping projects completed. Kind of busy.
We were very busy.
For people who are trying to take it slow because of the COVID and no shows, it was busy this weekend. Loretta sanded on a couple of tables and got some tables ready. You had some time off and for the COVID, and now you're back to work full time, so you got a couple of things back in there.
Birthday and Mother's Day gifts.
So got those done, and then Saturday changed out a water heater. Had a big job. Changed
that was
out a
fun.
water heater for Mill Hand Michael. Yeah, got him back.
Because I didn't work.
Water. It was a straight swap, change out there. Changed it out. The water heater lines all matched up straight. So
that's good.
Didn't have a whole lot of problems. Had a little trouble trying to get the pipe started. It's not my favorite type of connections, but I did show Millhand Michael that in the future, if you want to change out a water heater, you got to change out everything, what to go with. I had a little bit of trouble fighting with some cross thread, but we didn't do any damage. Got everything squared away and went back together really, really well. So it was a great day. Got some fishing in.
I was going to say, it was a great day for me because I fished. I didn't work.
So yeah, we had a good time. And then Saturday evening, Daniel got a call. A friend of his needed 6 or 8. I forget. Eight, and I think it's 8 cedar boards total. We did. I think they were 8 inches wide, inch thick, 8 foot 4 inches long for 4 of them, and then like 4 of them were 1 by 8 by 4
something
feet,
like
4
that.
inches for somebody to make a flower bed. So after we left Millhand Michaels, we got here and we took one of the logs off the cedar pile and we sawed up some cedar here. So let's take a look at that video right now. So a little bit of video action, and if you'd like to take a little better look at some of the cutting we did, let's take a look at this slideshow right now. All right, it's some pretty wood. We got some pretty
gorgeous wood. That's why I hate for anybody to get my cedar. But I gave up some of my cedar for the cause.
Yeah, deep trouble cutting into Mama's cedar pile, but one of those things we had to do, so we got it done. Then we on Sunday, we got a call kind of last minute. Our good friend that we have sawn probably, what, about 800 1x4x8s for some fencing. for a privacy fence, called up and said he desperately needed 30 more boards that we thought we'd be doing later.
Yeah.
But we went ahead and we sawed those up on Saturday morning. Took 2 logs actually. I actually had it done with 1 log. But we didn't like to look at about 6 or 8 of the boards, so we said, hey, we'll set those off to the side, give them to him as bonus boards, cut up another log, and I think he wound up with a total of like 60 boards that we gave him for a price of 30. But he got to finish up on it.
Yes, he got his fish finished.
His fence looked really, really good. Looking really, really
She said
good.
it was wonderful, so
yeah,
she's
so
glad it was
got a lot
done.
of privacy, so where they're at right now, so everything came out good on that. Hate to see that job go away because we had such a great time working with that guy. He's a really good guy. I don't want to mention his name because I didn't get his permission, but yeah, great guy to work with. Hopefully we'll get to do some stuff for him in the future.
Later on.
He's kind of a busy guy, always doing projects and stuff, metal working, woodworking, everything. All right, guys, let's move on. Water is not near as good as a tea. Upcoming for Two Dogs, what have we got going on? The window for Daniel and Kimmy's shed got put off. Well, yep, that's right. We were supposed to do it
you're doing water heater.
because we were doing a water heater. Hot water overruled the window there, so we got the water heater in. So now we're going to be working on the window. We got all the pieces and parts for that.
Yep.
While we were actually down at Lowe's in Augusta, we went and picked everything up that we need for that. So we've got that squared away. So I'll be working on that project. I'm going to have Daniel do the same inventory like he did on the pine. I'm going to have him do it with all that oak that's sitting out here. That's what we're going to be doing this Saturday. Somewhere kind of in between doing the window build and everything. I want him to go through all that oak that's sitting directly out this window behind me, about what, 50 feet or so?
Yeah.
I'm going to have him kind of go through all that and inventory that and get it ready for a sale that may be coming up now that some of the stay at home and don't see people.
It's been lifted.
All of that is starting to be lifted and they're starting to open up a little bit. There may be a sale coming up here pretty soon. And that sale,
that'd be so nice.
Sale hits, we'll be selling a bunch of that pine we got already cut and a bunch of this oak. So looking forward to that. Loretta wants to finish a table or two. You're talking about doing some tables and getting some tables done.
And some other things, just trying to get caught up doing something anyway.
And Brett was also talking about doing some charcuterie boards, and these are some of the, I think this was actually the 1x8 by 4x4 that Daniel cut for that fella. And that's, I think they'll make some charcuterie boards, some meat and cheese boards.
Meat and cheese boards.
Charcuterie, that's just too fancy. I mean, meat and cheese. You'll make some meat and cheese boards. So you got that planned, because those are easy to store.
Those are very easy to store, stack them.
Yeah, so they're easy to store.
Piece of cardboard in between them, just stack them on
up. We
up.
have to worry about like some of our bigger projects. All right, guys, let's move on. Still rather be drinking tea. All right. Well, that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything?
If anybody hears of any shows that come up that we haven't heard about, I mean, because they may just pop in, or now that everything's opening up, they may be something that we do know that the date has changed that pops up on somebody's feed. So if you hear of anything that they're going to actually have a show, let us know, and maybe we can apply for it.
Yeah, maybe something at the end of this month, first part of June, because we don't want to get too deep into summer doing that.
Yeah, the end of July, August, I don't do well with that type of heat.
So if you hear of anything in the next, say, 6 to 7, 8 weeks, let us know. You can hit us up on Facebook, because you can't comment in the videos, because this is a kid-friendly video, and we do have it set up for kids, so you cannot comment in the video space below, because there is no comment area. Alright guys, I really do believe that is about it for this evening. As always, thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.